In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Geico auto insurance online. Before you begin, make sure you already have replacement coverage in place if you still plan to drive. If you're switching to a new insurer, your new policy should start before your Geico policy ends. That's important because even a short gap in coverage can be illegal in some states and may lead to fines, registration issues, or other penalties. Once you're ready, go to the official Geico website or open the Geico mobile app and sign in to your account. After logging in, locate your auto insurance policy from your account dashboard. This is where you'll be able to check whether online cancellation is available for your specific policy. If your account supports online cancellation, select the auto policy you want to cancel. Then look for an option such as policy management or cancel policy. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the platform, but it should be in the area where you manage policy details. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to submit your cancellation request. You'll typically be asked to choose your preferred cancellation date, so take a moment to confirm that date carefully. If you're replacing this policy, it's a good idea to match the cancellation date with the start date of your new insurance so you avoid any lapse in coverage. After that, review all the information and confirm the request. In some cases, online cancellation may not be available. This can depend on your state or the type of policy you have. If that happens, Geico will usually direct you to contact customer service instead. If you need to cancel through a representative, have a few details ready to make the process smoother, including your policy number, your basic account information, such as your name and address, your desired cancellation date, and, if requested, your reason for canceling. In many cases, giving a reason is optional. After the cancellation request has been processed, make sure you get confirmation. Save any email confirmations or documents that show the policy has been canceled. It's also a smart idea to check that any automatic payments tied to the policy have been stopped so you're not billed after the cancellation takes effect. Finally, check whether you're eligible for a refund. If you paid your premium in advance and you cancel before the end of the policy term, you may receive a prorated refund depending on your policy terms and your state's rules. And that's how to cancel Geico auto insurance online.